Hi, this is KODAK Luma 150 Ultra Mini Pocket Pico Projector. Built-in rechargeable battery and speaker. 1080p support portable wireless LED DLP movie and video travel projector. Connects to iPhone and Android. From smartphone to the big screen, Pocket Projector produces bright, vivid video and imaging up to 150 inches for amazing home entertainment. Watch movies plugging in an external device. View pictures or give presentations anywhere a wall is available. Multiple methods for viewing. Versatile device comes with HDMI and micro USB cables for hookup to camera, storage drive, PC, laptop and other compatible devices. Go wireless with mobile to projector mirroring via AirPlay and Miracast. Stunning 16:9 projection. Device boasts 60 ANSI lumen brightness LED lamp, 854 by 480 resolution. Supports 4K resolution and 1000:1 contrast ratio for crisp